Baking bread with a wood fire is one of our oldest cooking traditions. A tradition that's easy to carry on with your Tuscan Chef wood-fired outdoor oven. We'll be baking our bread at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Light your oven and let it get up to temperature. The recipe we're using for our dough today is a very simple artisanal bread. It requires no kneading and rises overnight after a simple mixing of the ingredients. Slide the dough into the oven to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, check your bread for doneness. When it has developed a deep brown crust, it's ready. Bring it out of the oven for everyone to enjoy. Warm bread out of the oven is one of life's simple pleasures. After letting the bread stand for 10 minutes or so, slice and serve with your favorite toppings. There's nothing like warm, fresh bread from a Tuscan Chef wood-fired oven.